What up, y'all? It's been 2 weeks. Well, this is what the fit gonna be like today, and I'm about to do a sneaker collection once I finish this video. And it's gonna be a vlog today, so make sure you get up on them. So let's get it in. Hey, what? I will be going with. I'm gonna be going with the Dub-03s. I don't know if y'all can see them. There they go. I'm gonna go with the ripped jeans. I don't know if y'all can see them. I'm gonna go with the American flag shirt. And well, peace. See y'all next video. In about 5 4.